Hello, I'm continuing my series on the languages of Southeast Asia, today with the discussion about the mutual intelligibility of Lao and Thai. I hope at some point in the near future to have a group of Laotian students that I can ask to help me make a video like I made for Vietnamese and Thai, where I take several of them with different dialects and review some of the materials for learning them. But I don't know when and if I'll get that. And in the meantime, I still have a familiar face with me. If you remember the Thai video I made, Sam here, who identified himself as a bilingual Lao and Thai speaker. And in that video, the other speakers of Thai all confirmed what I had read about Thai, is that it's supposedly mutually intelligible with Lao. So while we have our bilingual Lao-Thai speaker here, I thought that would be a good opportunity to find out about that in particular, and perhaps also to help understand the concept of mutual intelligibility a little bit better, because I know that's actually a kind of difficult thing for people, non-linguists in particular, to grasp, because one of the most common sense notions of what a language is, well, if I speak one way and you speak another way, we're speaking different languages if we don't understand each other, but we understand each other, then we're speaking the same language. So let's start. Sam, please,
Yes.
Can you tell me how is it that you're a bilingual Thai and Lao speaker? Is one of your parents, or is it from your region, or what?
From my parents. I was born in the northeastern part of Thailand. When I first born, the people in my family, we speak Isan, which is the very close to Laotian or Lao language.
Right. Isan has about 15 million speakers in North Thailand, and Lao itself only has about 5 million speakers in Laos, and most reports put them together as having about 20 million speakers there. So actually you grew up speaking Isan.
Yes.
And Thai for you is a school language?
Yeah,
or a national language?
when I go to school, because at that time when I was very young, television and the paper is not very influent, no internet. But when we go to school, our teacher used about 50% Thai language. In the classroom management, they use Thai language.
Okay, all right. So can you, in the first place then, Isan and Lao from Laos, is there any particular difference there that you know of?
Oh yes, actually I haven't realized that until I met some Lao friend, some Laotian who study here, and it's very close. It's about 90%.
90%.
Yeah, but there's only some accent that a little bit different.
The accent is a little bit between Isan and Lao. Now, how about Lao and Thai? Again, all the documentary stuff that I was just able to read said it's mutually intelligible. What does that mean? Mutually intelligible, I guess it means if I sit here and speak Lao and you sit there and speak Thai, we can have a conversation. And that's what the other Thai speakers agreed. That's the case. But how exactly does that work? Can you have a full-scale conversation speaking kind of rapidly and excitedly about complicated ideas that are important to you? Or is it just you can communicate basic ideas if you both speak slowly and make an effort and repeat yourself?
Normally, for this case, I think, we can understand. Even I speak Thai or speak Lao, and with someone who speak Thai or Lao, we can understand actually almost more than 80%. And that
80%.
This is why when the people from Isan, from the northeastern, go to work, mostly they work in Bangkok, and then they have no problem with the communication. Even most of the Isan people, they don't speak Thai at all, but they can survive, they can live normally. But somehow there is only some word that totally different, but it's very little.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you would say, and again, the other Thai speakers who confirmed that they can understand Lao, it's at least 80% communication.
Yeah.
If you speak Isan or Lao, you can go function in Bangkok where they speak standard Thai, and it's no problem. You can communicate, they can communicate, everything is there. Okay. So that is interesting because there are some cases of supposedly mutually intelligible languages where it is, like you said there, where you can pretty much talk about everything rapidly. There are others, as I just mentioned, where you can only talk about simple things a bit slowly. And it goes both ways. I mean, there are some cases of mutually intelligible languages where on one side it's easier to understand than on the other side. But in Lao, Thai, Lao, Isan, it's everybody understands everything.
Yeah, especially right now in Thailand, we have a lot of television, soap opera or series that they have a lot of mix in the Thai dialect and the northeastern Isan or the north, the south. They try to have mix, and then the people can understand each other very well. Yeah.
Can you give an example? Can you say something in both languages? There's a test sentence. It's actually for typing in English because it has all the letters. So, but I think it's a good sentence to just try out. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs.
The quick
brown fox. You know fox?
Okay. Fox. Okay.
Jumped over the lazy dogs. How would you say that in Lao, and how would you say that in Thai?
In Thai first, okay.
Okay.
The quick brown fox, right? หมาป่าว่องไวสีน้ำตาลหมาป่าตัวที่ว่องไวสีน้ำตาล jump กระโดดหมาป่าสีน้ำตาลกระโดดข้าม over what
the lazy dogs
กระโดดข้ามสุนัขขี้เกียจไอ้ครั้ง one more time หมาป่าสีน้ำตาลกระโดดข้ามหมากระโดดข้ามหมาขี้เกียจ yes
okay now in Lao
and then in Lao they will say หมาป่าหมาป่าสีน้ำตาลกระโดดควมหมาขี้ข้าน yeah.
So what's the difference?
The difference, for example, lazy in Thai we say ขี้เกียจ and then in Lao you say ขี้ข้าน
okay
ขี้เกียจ
ขี้ข้าน so it's a question of intonation, stress, or is it actual element, a word element that's different?
Actually the word ขี้เกียจis mean there also one Thai word is a เกียจคร้าน the very formal word is เกียจคร้าน and Isan people they say ขี้ค้าน they use but if the root is still involved with each other.
Okay, yes, clearly very involved with each other. They are clearly very similar. Are there any significant differences on other levels? For example, Hindi and Urdu, one of their main differences is that they use different writing systems. Does Lao and Thai, do they use the same writing system?
The Lao alphabet we cannot understand, but we can see some the letter is quite like Thai, but we don't understand because we don't have a lesson on that.
So it's probably also derived from Indian scripts as well, but just as in India, Gujarati and Punjabi, they have differences.
It's more like handwriting in Lao for me myself. I think, for Thai alphabet they have specific, but for Lao I think they have like handwriting. They all connect to each other.
Okay, so if they have that, then that's similar. Do you have any idea why are they generally called two different languages? In many cases, it's a political or a religious or some other people, colonialists, divided up the country in different ways. Is there any significant reason that you know? Why are they called two different languages? Why aren't they just called one language?
Spread the land, according to Mekong River.
So Thailand was never colonized?
No.
Okay, but Laos was. Laos was colonized by the French, and maybe after that time, that's why, because it was a different political entity. It was divided. Okay, because we could hear the similarities. Okay, well, like I say, if I ever got the opportunity to have a couple of Laotians come on with me, we will look at some books and materials and do all the things we did with Thai, with Vietnamese, and I hope to do with other languages as well. So thank you very much for joining me again, Sam.